Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, please kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So I'm here again with another wonderful video. How I use lime juice to prevent diseases in my poultry farm. So before then, I want us to look at some benefits of lime juice. So the number one benefit, it helps in the treatment of infection in our poultry farms. It also promotes weight gain as well as protein digestion in our poultry farms. It also increases the food intake of our chicken. When your chicken are feeding well, they will perform well in their growth and egg production. It also helps in preventing and treating fowl pox. It also helps in the treatment of infectious coryza in our farms. It also boosts on the bird's appetite. It also boosts on the bird's immunity. So, how can we prepare this lime juice for our poultry farm? So, as you can see, this is my lime. These are 10 fruits. You wash, after washing them very well, you slice it and extract the juice. Press out the juice. Squeeze it very well. Squeeze out the juice. So these 10 fruits, I want to use 20 liters of water. Squeeze out the juice very well. So this is how you are going to prepare it, and how often do you give to your birds. So this is what I normally do every 2 weeks to prevent sicknesses from my poultry farm. So when you try something like this, you don't have to be spending unnecessarily. If you look at the cost of the feed and then their medication, so if we can buy feed, some things we can still prevent. We can prevent their diseases. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. It's better to prevent it from happening, prevent diseases from coming, than for you to start treatment. You know, sometimes bird, they can be so funny. When you even sometimes, if the sickness, if the sickness is even worse, they will not be able to drink even water. They will not be able to drink, not to talk of taking their feed. So this is our juice finely extracted from 10 fruits. And I'm going to sieve out the, so that the I'll sieve out the seeds. So we don't need seeds inside. I'm going to sieve it out. And lime is something that you can get anywhere, very cheap. That's 20 liters of water. So this 20 liters of water, this is the water they are going to, after serving them lime juice in the morning, or the first one, when they finish this first one, I'm going to continue with fresh water. After taking this one, this first lime juice in the morning, pending when they will finish. So the next water I'm going to continue with is fresh water. Look at it, very clean water. So we are going to serve them. We are going to serve them lime juice. Look at how healthy they are, very strong, very active. Can you see the rushing? Very active. And they are giving me healthy eggs, good eggs. So this is what I do every 2 weeks, 5 days. I used to give them for 5 days. Every 2 weeks, I'll give them for 5 days. First thing in the morning, and when they finish taking this lime juice, and now I'll continue with water. Prevention is always better than cure. Look at them laying. So it can be given to layers, it can be given to broilers. So thank you so much for watching.